bigtractorpower.com is following the 2016 Western Kentucky corn harvest. Today we're out in the field with a pair of Lexion combines built by Kloss. There is a Kloss Lexion 760 TT as well as a Caterpillar Lexion 595R combine. These are big Class 9 machines. They're harvesting 18 rows of corn at a time. They're 20-inch rows. They're using Calmer 1820 corn heads to harvest. The Caterpillar 595R was the world's largest combine back in the mid-2000s. At 462 horsepower with a 360 bushel grain bin, this was a monster machine not that long ago. Running just behind it is a Kloss Lexion 760 TT, and it has a 385 bushel grain bin and a 503 horsepower Caterpillar engine. Both of these machines are equipped with tracks. The 595R here in the lead has mobile tracks, and the 760 has Terra tracks, which is an upgrade of the design. On the grain cart is a 275 horsepower John Deere 8520, and the cart is a Kinsey 1050 on soft tracks. These machines are harvesting over 200 bushels an acre, and they're clearing a lot of land in a big hurry. Here we can see the Calmer 1820 18-row head at work as it clears the headland. Combines are taking a 30-foot swath of corn off as they work their way across the field. We'll take a quick walk over here to see one of the very coolest trucks that we get to see each year during harvest season, and that is a GMC General semi-truck. As we wrap up our time in the field with the Claas Lexion combines, we're looking at the farm's 1982 GMC General semi-truck. The farm has owned this truck since 1982, so it's put a lot of years of service in. It's got that great classic look with the orange and yellow paint. The back window is tinted purple, and this is just a great machine to still see going in the field with that classic look. We hope that you've enjoyed this bigtractorpower.com video featuring a GMC General semi-truck and a pair of Claas Lexion combines. If you would like to see more big farm machines in action, visit our website bigtractorpower.com to link directly to over 1,000 videos on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, where we share pictures of farm equipment in action and farm equipment history.